Hey guys, on this video, I'm going to talk about how to claim your savings and PAGIBIG dividends, paano i-calculate yung dividends nyo, and paano mag-open ng bagong MP2 account. You'll be learning a lot on this video and I'm gonna give a freebie, so watch till the end. By the way, if you're new to PAGIBIG funds, don't forget to check out my other video. Kaka-claim ko lang ng benefits ko from my MP2 savings nung January. So, paano nga ba yung process? There are two options. One is through the virtual PAGIBIG link over here, or in person. I opted for the latter. So, pumunta ko sa nearest PAGIBIG office and then I filled up a few forms. So, kailangan i-fill up yung claim forms or yung application for Provident Benefit Claims form. You may also download the form here. All you need is a valid ID and ikaw dapat ang kukuha. So, once you submit this, iko-compute nila yung total savings plus dividends mo. After processing the form, they gave me an acknowledgement receipt. It actually took 20 days before sila nag-text sa akin na pwede ko nang i-claim yung cheque dun sa office nila. All you need is to bring 2 valid IDs. If hindi nyo personally na makiklaim yung cheque, pwede nyong gawin through a representative. Kailangan lang ipakita yung original, duly notarized special power of attorney and original valid IDs of both parties. Super bilis ng process, guys. Ang nagpatagal lang is yung ilang araw na hinintay ko yung cheque. But in the office itself, I didn't take more than an hour. By the way, ang hindi ko lang nagustuhan sa process nila was yung magpapasign sila sa isang listahan before they release the check to you. And makikita nyo doon sa list lahat ng full names and amount ng mga taong nagke-claim. So for me, I think that should be confidential data kasi makikita mo there are people claiming millions tapos meron yung only a few thousands, but you want that to be confidential, right? Makikita nyo yung buong pangalan nila. I did send an email regarding that, but aside from that, everyone from the guard to the cashier to all of their staff in the Baguio branch, they were all so nice and accommodating. Wow! Yung check na binigay was from Land Bank kasi government, kaya either withdraw nyo sa Land Bank or deposit it on any of your bank account. It's as simple and easy as that. At the same time na nag-claim ako, I went to open another account. Kasi kapag nag-claim ka na, hindi mo pwedeng hulugan ulit yung previous account mo. Kailangan mong gumawa ng bago. Simple lang yung process. All I did was to fill up an MP2 enrollment form and maghulog ng initial amount. Pwede nyo din kunin yung form sa link na to. FYI lang, I also have a P1 or PAGIBIG 1 fund account. So after enrolling, ipapapunta kayo sa payment screening section and then doon nyo ihuhulog yung initial amount on that new account. You will be given a new account number as well, kaya hindi nyo nagagamitin yung previous one. To double check, pwede nyong i-view yung earnings and account nyo on virtual PAGIBIG. You may also enroll through here sa virtual PAGIBIG link. Then, ayan, make sure that you have all the requirements prior enrolling. Then, click proceed. Hindi ko na i-go through in detail tong process na to since in person tayo nag-enroll. In order to calculate how much dividends you earn, you need to know 3 things. One is your total monthly contributions. Ito yung amount na dinideposit mo per month. It doesn't have to be a fixed amount. Basta minimum 500 pesos. Not necessarily din na once a month kayo mag-deposit. Pwedeng 2 or more times in a month or none in a month. So, kung nag-skip kayo at hindi kayo nagbayad for 1 month, okay lang yon. Walang charges or penalties. Number 2 is dividend factor. Itong number na to ay yung fixed number based on the month's fraction of the year. And nakaka-apekto ito sa amount of dividend rate na makukuha nyo. Nag-iiba ito based on the month na naghulog kayo. So, for example, ang dividend factor for January is 1.00. Nakuha natin to dahil kung nagpasok tayo ng January, may 12 months para kumita yung pera natin divided by 12 months equals 1. For February, 11 months na lang. Divided by 12 equals 0.92 and so on. Hanggang December yon. Kaya pag December, 1 month na lang divided by 12 equals 0.08. Kaya kung mas maaga within the year ang pagko-contribute mo, mas malaki ang makukuha mo. I'll discuss this in more detail later. Number 3 is dividend rate. Itong rate na to is dinideclare ni Pag-ibig every year. Usually, mga 3 to 4 months after the end of the year. Makikita nyo to sa site nila over here. This varies from 4% to 8%. Unlike yung Pag-ibig 1 na 4 to 5% lang. Itong dividend rate na to applies the whole year. So usually, nilalabas ito around April or May of the next year. For each month, i-compute mo yung dividend income mo by multiplying the total monthly contributions times the dividend factor times the dividend rate. For example, let's start on year 1. And kunyari, April tayo nag-start na mag-deposit ng funds. The total monthly contribution is 5,000 pesos. According to our computation, for the month of April, dividend factor is 0.75. Dividend rate for 2018 is 7.41%. Therefore, dividend income for the month of April 2018 is 277.88 pesos. So, ayan, gagawin nyo to for all months. Once you get all these, get the total of the dividend income per month and add it to the total monthly contributions. Yan ngayon ang total accumulated savings mo for the year. Makikita nyo, nang ginawa ko dito is I have some 0 TMCs. Binase ko kasi to sa actual contributions ko nung 2018 para makita nyo na tama yung computation natin. So, I started April 2018, May, hindi ako nakapag-contribute, and then June to December, nakapag-contribute ako. And makikita nyo yan sa virtual Pag-ibig. So, punta tayo dito, login, and then dito sa MP2 savings. Ngayon, makikita nyo na meron na akong dalawang account. Yung isa is yung old account ko, and then yung isa, yung kaka-open ko lang. As you can see here, 0 na yung previous account ko dahil clean ko na. Punta tayo sa view, and then yung year, which is 2018. View contributions. And then, ayan. So, same na same ito. And yung nasa Google Sheets natin. Makikita nyo 1,111.50 ang dividends based on our computation and 1,111.50 din. Dahil dito, ma-ensure nyo na talagang tama yung pumapasok na dividends sa account nyo. After your year 1, medyo may kaibahan lang sa computation. The difference is magko-compound yung accumulated savings mo from the past year. So, if your total accumulated savings last year was 38,811.50 pesos, may carry over siya sa next year mo and it will also earn dividends. Tuloy-tuloy lang yon hanggang year 5. To simplify things, I've created a Google Sheet that computes everything. Copy-paste lang ang gagawin nyo. So here's the Google Sheet. Basically, lahat ng naka-yellow, yun lang yung fill upan nyo. The rest, hindi nyo nagagalawin. Kasi fixed values na siya or naka-formula. Okay? So first, lalagay nyo yung account number nyo dito. Let's say that's our account number. By the way, nilink ko na din dito yung savings dividend rate table for your convenience. So, pag clinic nyo yan, mapupunta kayo doon sa website kung saan nyo makikita yung yearly dividends. Okay? Because you'll use this then sa pag-fill up nung sheet. Okay? Balik tayo. So, your year 1, for example, ang year 1 nyo is 2018. Ayan. Type nyo lang yung year and then the dividend rate. So, balik tayo dun sa table. Dividend rate for 2018 is 7.41%. Paste here yung buong contributions nyo for the year 2018 and makukuha nyo to sa virtual Pag-ibig. Okay, so again, log in kayo dito. Select 2018 as the year and then kopyahin nyo lang to from transaction date to the amount. Copy balik kayo on the sheet, click on the top leftmost cell, right-click, and then paste special values only. Ayan, automatic magko-compute yung dividend income mo and total monthly contributions. So, the total amount I contributed is 37,500 and 1,111.50. So, same lang siya. Now, maki-carry over sa year 2 yung total accumulated savings, which is yung total monthly contribution ko plus the dividend income. So, 38,600, ayan siya. E makikita nyo dito, January dito, and another January. So, for year 2, 2019, the dividend rate is, tignan natin, 7.23%. 7.23%. Okay? And then again, punta tayo sa year 2019. And then, kopyahin natin lahat yan. Copy. Balik tayo. Right-click, paste special, values only. Tama ba? 4,900 and 4,900.36. Okay, so far, correct yung computation ng dividends natin. 85,000 total monthly contributions plus yung dividend income, 90,511 yung maki-carry over on the third year. Ayan, year 3 naman. So, ganun din, 2020. Dividend rate is 6.12. Dividend values, ito siya. Double check kung tama. 6857.68, tama. Okay. So on and so forth. So, fill upan nyo lang yan hanggang year 5. Okay? So, year 4. And then, next is year 5. So, after year 5, supposedly, ika-claim mo na yung savings mo and your dividends. But, I placed an additional buffer dito just in case makalimutan nyo ma-claim. Ayan. May dalawa akong buffer na nilagay dito. Helpful na ma-double check nyo yung computations nila. Kasi for me, dahil dito sa pag-intindi ko ng computations and sa ginawa kong tracker, nalaman kong may kulang pala sa na-claim kong funds. Stay tuned because I'm going to talk more about it on my next video. By the way, I made this Google Sheet in the most convenient way possible for you to double-check your earning calculations. I spent hours making this and this video mismo. Kaya I'd really appreciate it if you support the efforts I've done. And it would really mean a lot to me if you like this video, comment, and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. You can check out the link here in order to access the file. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. I hope this video helped. Thank you guys for watching and bye!